hard. If I had a question, Ananta Sasamani, no, Momo Takanchel and interest. Yeah, Money of Sabu, didn't you mentality? Me, me, for the political alarm, and I don't need them. I can't go in your lap. One thousand is Mudigger.
Assalamu alaikum. Mbemo be kontona altifero kalkanyi sumo fanana video lamo ya la musical ka bete ya bake. They always carry message. Mbafala mobe assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ta'ala. Ankoro mambe kontona balafati. Ankoro ma fonko nga na headline oto ni ajube nga nomba safeje nga nomba safeje Facebook o nyimfa oto nomba be saferenje nata purunale na kacha anko is Gambia safe on the barrow or we are sinking. I saw a guy mimu karamo malo nyimun konton sifamu dibi gumi parola nyimolo Barola Dibi. Ako Gambia is safe. So Karamo telephone number is there. You are free to call the number. Then you can tell us why you think Gambia is safe on the barrow. Ila opinion lom which is respected. Mote doyala kanjang until we are a Democrat and the platform Minto. It's a responsible platform head by Mafode Cham as our chairman. So I would not be here purungananang puruka kuma for jamia lonko bekela nye sama malote. So I'm just asking, is Gambia safe or we are sinking on the barrow? So if you think Gambia is safe, Kane Mabo, call, the number is there. Just call, I'll pick your call. Then you can talk to Gambian people why you think Gambia is safe on the barrow. And why do you think that Gambia is not sinking? So natamina, it's an open discussion. Open discussion, na manke nendiroti, na manke kakangola mokang. But anything momo yalonko you want to say it, you can say with responsibility. Nkana kala mokang, nsemiran na lakirol, nsemiran na kaburol bag. In the first place, I will make a clarification here first. Clarification. Then after sinadun kajakon. Natanun janne kunu na kunu Facebook or I believe. Kaitandiko iko voters card me alonko yadinu la rikundala alkalola. And I have spoken to somebody. Me alonko very responsible guy, very trustworthy. I itandinako IEC was doing ebe fonkola no familiarization tour pour ka dulal identify the polling station ol kala dami wo ebe IEC be wokanne but this voters card issue is something true. It is something true. Tonyalo voters card ol dita la rikundala al kalola. In fact, the person I spoke to ngaitandala ko IEC alla fita fitinole bondela. Because ne mole sotota minuli ya lonko ila voters card aliye mistake olo aliye problem olo soto nunga alla masinguto but already aliye la detail olo be tale just to print wole tutanunja alla masingo problem soto and aliye itandila ko we will print it and then give it to you people alnyante kumandla IEC almanyanna dila alkalla almanyanna talaka voters card ta kadi alkalo alkafo alkalo ko bawo nyinketela area leto we believe ko ibe molu lonnale itasa di wolla alkalo ila family members Mr. Jata ila family members alafo alkalo ay nyim voters card o sendi Mr. Jata perhaps abake kang puruka ko sono yandi mo mimbe ye carte o sote be se carte o fay bare amankala dokuti Mr. Jata be doya drone sotola nyinto gambiankol bajela ko Mr. Jata manke mo telendindi yarta Mr. Jata ko mo telendi ngolo so Mr. Jata IEC wol mela dokolo because niaje nkoy mela dokolo a document mo fangola personal detail be kaito mimbale itekata ikaw chike kadi alkalola without o mari la consent. You see Gambia how we don't even respect each other. Itebentela document o chikalo no nyadile ikadi mola puru etante nyini ngayo document o dintela without my consent. Do I want those people to know my details? So IEC as a responsible institution niaje Gambia dingul malla IEC lebe silaring imaje ifangoli yela mulka sile nyamine ifangoli ya ates. It is me yenyinke. I don't know who gave them this idea. Sambu Janjan, etalon CEO ti IEC. Aliu Mamarinjai, you are the head of IEC. Joe Colley, you are the deputy. I'll tell them executives. I'll tell Bema Miro Sotonoko. We will go and announce this at the radio stations. Ngaitandiko birin na masingole problemo soto latri kunda maleko yadulanyin tofolede. Iko registration center to akwo keta woleto. So birin wo problemo soto taje. Mune atin alma announce radio ro kafuko alla katol paretala alna kama IEC. Muna nalba dila alkalola. So oto alla altelu molkal accuse minna alfangol lomu alfangol lekatina molkal accuse ni molko e malalla alfangol lekatina molbe la balia kanal alman haniya tarako na kibaro min soto is a valid voters card andum these are voters card minuli alonko already countle as voters registration no mimbe keta the whole Gambia. The total amount is been given to all party leaders. Anyanta dila authority milla ya di wolale. Bari, the problem belarin daming. For alkalo le nyanta nyin distribute la. If I am a family to the alkalo today, mbenyun na nyim voters katula nga sendi ma because ikana la father nondi. Ikana la father nondi. Why this alkalo li mela role fangolong? Munati nebe la roll long. Munati nebe itebe son nebe one the personal detail diletela without the consent of that person. For after later ala detail o lomba. Who is the alkalo for itebe talaika voters card distribute? When altel alkalo mola korda problem ol bija alma ol faul bondino nyokono mimma la responsibility. Now you want to take another responsibility on top of your responsibility. Which is wrong. Alkalo lumanyana sonna wala. The alkalo's family should not allow that. So alkalo mediamu kangele nyim voters card sendi IEC la let them announce at the radio kaita ninyi lako yenela voters card kamebulu. Ngakibaro min soto why IEC did that. Because they have a lot of electoral material at the IEC. Electoral material at the IEC. Nalia Osoto. Even Alsemo Sindinol at the entrance of IEC. Nimo nata yanyi ninka inata munele ha nga mweleko na voters card paretale konga na kamajang. Yeto jube system okono yes, itolo musa sediti ha, welingara ha, okay, ila voters card o felend. Ila kaitido nati nga compare ni ila voters card o dila. Period. Munati nalba dila alkalola. So IEC nyindi amo mbebe caring altele nyindi amo cause. Altele adi amo cause. You see IEC ntema for metros. I know ko hani yatrako they plan ilaftaka kuriyake they cannot do it. Let us be assured of that. They cannot do it because already IEC ya foleko ntenyinata figo nyinele yajele kunu Bringing Nimaribe Diamola, I wanted to ask the person how many Gambians were registered. It was over 900,000. It was over 900,000. But Figo Bigele. So killing from Mantaralala of Figo ka. And secondly, IEC today, be on the 16th, Yes, be on the 16 to 21st, ibe replacement kela. E mantra supplementary keka. Ibe replacement like kela. Iko mol minu la ID card voters card ol filita. They got some reports because mo jamale fanantata report police kaitera niko la voters card ol filita. Iko la voters card ol filita. So wo voters card ol la filo wala ya tinna e lafta some replacement ke la purka wala voters card murundema. You say Kamara, I think I have respect more than you. Yeah, understand, because I stand to tell the truth. Nite mimira respect. Ali hide under fake profile. I don't block anybody. But don't start to be pointing fingers and accusing me of being disrespectful, okay? So I would not like that. Respect yourself and watch. If you do not want to watch, you can leave and go and then watch another person, period. Respect yourself. I am not here to come and address you. I can find out who you are. I am telling you, I can find out who you are. And I will be harsh on you. And I don't want to do that. Any more stupid kande. Let me tell you that. So respect yourself and watch, or you leave. Thank you. So mimbije wolo munyintiko. Niya tarako. IEC is going to do replacement. What replacement on nying? Minula voters card filter. Ibe wole replace la. But ni tata IEC la center store. All the administrative areas in Gambia. From Banjul to Basse. Ni tata. Iba itan lako, I am Musa Sedi. Na voters card filter. Did you report it? Yes. Itara police le ha. Police report ole. Oh, ela police ole mune dila. Did they give you diary reference number? Did you go and then swear at an affidavit? Nima wol be soto. Then ibe jubela hano be system kone tafole haneta because ita ma report police. Ibe nyininka le tole ye nyininka one of we Gambian document la. Niye wo dila then ye to type. Then ni automatically ita tobe system okono itoka fintile. Itoka fintile. Bari whether this system is working for IEC, because kunung ngamo ko ye modo lela ID card voters card o mimbe alkalo bulu modo tata je mi ya taraka I voters card do sotole. So he got two. But bring atata alkalo ya je ko I voters card do sotola manna nyindo dila ayake je ko duplicated. So munana IEC ma would detect nonu biriwo mari murutaje because alinso sense laja because ntama voters card masoto mantanyini, but I don't know whether they were taking fingerprints niatrebe fingerprint tal. Can somebody me a voters card soto Gambia mafo mi masoto do minko drom abe mira la hani me a voters card soto Gambia? Can somebody inform me whether they took fingerprints? Can somebody tell me yes they take or no they don't take? Because normally near mola fingerprinter ala data nyanta taral bulule. So niatra why duplication of voters card sotota modole fula soto? Because mtemaje mobulde, but according to this information mi ya lonko minketa alkaloya because ngamo dola audio to la ko doli la voters card fango sendile simply because of dol tata alkalo manson na ka dila because yaje ko ye duplication because biri tata was center to masingo problem so they went another center in ata soto. So for IEC la center sol buka correspond because hani atara ko ya nyini mbanyun le natata base IEC nyanta detect la ko no ya soto le banjul. So IEC Thank you very much, Lamin Toure. Thank you. I have to write this. Thank you. because nte mbenyin ko mba normal ale bake abaraka Lamin Touré alama ala yejo abaraka alama ala yejo mbenyin safela sorry the total number of voters registered in the Gambia by IEC in 2021 is 962,157. Thank you, Mr. Touré. Abaraka, alama alayejo. Abaraka. Okay. So, niatra ko IEC ika molla fingerprint. Can somebody tell me, please? Can somebody tell me? Can somebody tell me? Yes, you have right to talk about some stupid what's happening? I mean, Mbalbe Danila, this camera for Dimbingumi Lombang, Demanena Manin Konton Siva Famwe. Mbal Dan la Kotek. I'm appealing to you. Mokana ala message reply. Mokana femwo fensafeje. Ala bulabe miwo min safela ya safe. I will find out who he is later after my program. I will find out who he is. Ikatara maborine. Imo furi malu. Ibuke fanga express no. Ibuka kuma fono mobe mimoela. Because baro the caliber of baro. Mominka baro la leadership support. Aliye mira wo mari nyanda kala muna mo sifati. The caliber of baro. Minka baro la leadership support. Wo be kala muna mo sifati. You just have to think about that and connect the dots. Ali alo nyanda kala muna mo sifati. So let's move on and talk about constructive issues in Gambia. So, IEC is something me alonko if fangol learning scenario create. So, Barry, this 962,157 voters hani kilintelalaka. In fact, for example, near Gambia lebi, for example, beaming yalonko, they are trying to issue people with voters card replacement. Nintata Gambia, Ntata IEC, Nkoiko Cha, Ntema Soto left of voters card, Ntata Soto, I'm not qualified. They are not going to issue any new voters card to anybody because registration day was stopped at June. But the replacement minulta affiliate be wala andu imantra supplementary. If they are doing supplementary, they would have done. I would have got it, but there is no supplementary. So IEC, the alcalo of La Ricunda, Puriela integrity, Puriela osoto yela legacy miya lonko. You have worked very hard on that when Barrow was nowhere to be known. Kana somoyela legacy tinya. Be fair. Kana la moka. Alkalolu. 2016. This December stood every platform. Ako alealda bondi politikot. Akali aldal bondi politikot. He said it. Ako altelka molbele represent. And on this carries a sense. Because nite alkalo ko itemu NPP leti. Sa ni NPP nko ni modo dunta nyola du. Ye kalimin na follow ye la kalo tinya. Because you will not be impartial. Ite alkalo. Niye mira alkalia atele forte han presde yati. I have a reason of saying this. Because alkalia mu inheritance silati. There is no presidency in Gambia mu inheritance city. Baraltel alkalolu yale balu nene kang iko baro tojalo ni mo man kalamuta baro need to be school altel kamara fo dingu gumi lomba al nal man ta baro so londola aba fambula la problem o konole because one baro lota ko in January or February they will start paying alkalos $3,000 each. Sateo dolia alkal olma alkal killing soto de because like Brikama alkal killing tije almost nying misira wolu daru hairu daslame nema jida wolbela alkal soto wolbela alkal soto bari alkali bafon wolbe Brikama sumakunda. So saying akwebe alkalol jola mbe alkalol nyinin kala foya lon nako that have to go through National Assembly. They have to get a budget for that. Because salary create now they are employed, for example, they must be given a letter. Sai wo alkalo la jofana. Do they know that ko sai it allow alkalia because sai ke jo salary lela. Sai it nyantaka tax jole from that salary. Andu wo alkalolu sai ika kenolu minulu wa Afrika fo alkal stampo. Alkal stampo killing watu dol Gambia 10,000, 5,000, 12, 15,000, 20,000 alkal stampo. They don't pay any tax on that. Wakati la jibole kon abkata mansala ranke sokon ya understand. So for alkalo li alo no go sign income tax na tax na GRA nyantaka risito le dila nimiye keno sang ila wa alkal stampo mi kadi wo kodo nyantata la mansala ranke sokon because sai mansa ke jole $3,000 fali yo lon neba altel alkalo nkal nyini nkale de yalon barona tal nene sanji lula beje amali jo amam fem fali sai asulata carte wala al bulu a disparate amala be minkela ako alkalo lu ni sefolu al nyanta support la by force yala nene ya fo ala atanum fo baselom fo muntolom bang fo pasama silolom ba aba yella wato minna ako ala fanan na fonkol mu malaikol leti ate fanan oto a fanke ala la palaso ako oto alkalo ni sefol nyanta ate fanan fasala because wol matel la doku lati yalo sefolu imaje yaltel decapitate akal bay akal tombo andu wotumo banko molle kal tombon banku dingul wolle kal tombo sa yo sembo betal bulu ate kal tel tombo imajal buka femfono e kal tromondong yal sinde adiyata yal ye nyami molla nyin alfa buñari mbalo alkalolu na diyata le alali fangolu forcé politiko kono. The day is coming. The day is coming. The day is coming. So, okay, thank you, but so then you can call on the line and tell me the reality. Please, call, yeah, fonye. Please, I would be very happy if you call to share your knowledge with me, because whatever I am saying is fabrication. You can call and then correct me. I would love that. Thank you. I would not waste my time on you. So you have the line there. You can call. If you are man enough, call. That's very simple. Let's argue and agree. Call, we argue and agree. There is no fight. No. So that's it. Somebody is making fabrication. See it kana ikana si ka ujubi. Salam alaikum sister Farsila Sise. Isaba enumbara. I just Gambians are funny. Sometimes it makes you people temperament. Allah temperament to be temperament is good. Hamolo. Bari not in the negative way. I'll understand back. So alkalolu molka kordal sanne alkafo alkal stampo 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 dolka more than that fango jolo because I depend ale keno yet land some muntolet. Ali mirade andun nyinko manda follow National Assembly barobal nenel sa bal tel jola sefoldu yala fo sefol fanale State House fo gambe ngol al nyina rolal ako sefol mina jole londi lali para ma fo toto de adar ayo fo le State House sa dara ko alkalo le mbaltel jola le abaro. This man is just funny. He's a corny man. I can't find the smartness that the Barolo ko can defa jelora. So alkalolu ya fale lak prali al dal bondi politiko na diata la al fangol forcé ale nana ali al fangol da dundi politiko kono fana ali al fangol doya ali al fangol disrespect andum altel mu bankola alfa leti alfa kendol le malti alfa disentringol le malti so lafitale ali to alfa ya palaso lo ali o hormone mbunya soto gambian kolbul o beta so nimbotaje yalo ngal nyinin kalen ko is Gambia safe under Barrow or are we sinking? Ngal nyinin kale de. I said this lafta Barola video le dol yitandila like I mean for about 3 years jotna for funding ke oluke dong e ka fa ko ya bari dole faul be dictator be billahi for the ke oluke don de ka fa ko ya bari dole which is very funny. Mbalo fata bake wo funding ke ola ko mbalo fa bake because the son it'll be searing wodulalto la funding ke ya fango eba misuse kan because among opportunity soto they have no opportunity la funding ke ya misuse kan ni president onata they start to dance for him abuka kuma kese foye abe kumo mimbe fole abenin talila abenin story barole lota jang baroy kuma jama balle fo gambian kolede kuma jama ba so ni baro kana si aka kuma dol fanal fo gambian kol ke wala moy feka fay ko ya bari dole. It's good that ko baro nyin kumo fango fo pura sa fango expose kaitandi dunia la ko ate he is a dictator pur kaitandi dunia la ko ate mu dictator lati ayafo at the right time o minna the international observers will be Gambia and the matter will be they will be informed about the matter. They have the information if everything be translated to their own language. Isaje if all somewhere from the horse's mouth if all somewhere ko the guy is ready to do something illegal in that country. So mbe video le nyinin kanteng ba audio kasia bake pro alfango sa moya fango dakono ni nalia moya fango dakono yalo Gambian kol buka kala baroka abuka ibuka kala kan ni mo mala desan ala interesting audio siata ma jeno de nimi e barola audio soto aka 3 years jotna aki fenke alajda aha ngamira jannom yo do fele kilim felende ngamira jannom al sala moy dron al sala mo Allahu akbar baro ke mira saya la leban fo baro ya lon ko atemu president olati baro ya lon ko he should be a role model baro ya lon ko ni imari ye kanla mokan ye junubo le soto junubo be na mari tema baro ya lon ko ni man tonya fo ye tonya tanofo ye ku haramuri ngoleke baro ye nyimbe lonne bar president olomde mokana nen alnga tonya dam ma fay ni misil molo mati ko ngajabe salola sonda ko misil molo ngajala be salol hani yatara ko aka salla ka nyak koma ututa telebul je bar ngaje salola that's fine misil molo bari alnga lamoy barola ala tumirola anin aisa kaka symbol dia fannade ali lamoy ndesan Allahu akbar kala mutabali am bede ali lamoy Marikabinga gaso paika. Yalo ngafon na security nyato ngolele. Ngoyeli sumo mera kilodro wala kabang. Marikabin wolu anim bi tema. Kriya jot na fata ni bangu. So minul be fo kanko mbe fabrication flela wala malon kaminfo sa mbali nyinin kala interfering into our judiciary. Is that something right? Mbal nyinin kala it is so batch so in camera for dingungumi no mbako means alkalo whether it means king do I care? So mbal nyinin kala wala mbal nyinin kala wala whether this interfering into justice, our justice system, interfering into our justice system, is that something right? Yes. Aha, imagine ifangola ignorancy fokan. If Dabo trusted Barrow, he trusted him and stood for him. He trusted him and stood for him. So neatra ko alke mira, altel yalo ite so, altel kalbe fula yale fasake, imanke fuloti kata mintet. Let me tell you that. I don't want to mention this, but mba fule tel. Dingugumi ni o manke tribe killing, but nita mu tribe killing it. Alkalka fula yale fasa. Because aliya alkamuta ko baromu fulolet almantra fewo fenna wo fulaya fasalo mu nyinti tending altel mo sifalu minuli ya lonka alla mirol ma wara alla mirol man jamfa. Politics is not about na tribe, it's not about that. Imanke fuloti kata mintet anu wallahi ndele baro support it. Honestly, I would not even mention that. Niatara wontenu wallahi birintata nun Gambia, they would not tell me ko Musa, we want you to meet Barrow at State House mbeo fole jam bari monena ma fote ko go and see Barrow at State House ali amira ko fula kuolo mu nyinti but alba regret lale Gambia mandin kolu ni man conducive area di nun tel fulo lanu, we would not settle there because it lesiata ala fonye fula sate o le Gambia fula sate o ala fonye Gambia fula sate o sate ali aje Gambia ala lon ko mandin ko le adila itata si fan leje bar alkal be fula fasale la ikoy ka fo dabo le ka flip flop a flip flop ta mun tolo dabo ya itande ko Barrow is our Barrow I will stand for Barrow andun dabo lota Barrow ele Barrow nin dabo jumale nyodi okay mbe nyinin kala ala ma wo mari ala ye dingo bondi bala ala ye dingo bondi te bala min jikobe bola barola ibe sonna wala afo amin I want you to say amin ala ye dingo bondi te sow bala min jikobe bola barola tell me amin whether you will say amin will you say amin ngo ila alfa la fula ya tente nyato na alfa la fula ya nyato you are fula ame fula so fula ya kute nyinti we have to speak the truth ali amira ko Barrow mu fuloleti alko mbatu ngata nga fasa without no dalila okay alama dingo bondire bala mimbe bola ko Barrow jiko we will see you will see the repercussion of that ngata so nga la video la way ngana audio plalier o kono nga salitaring alsi audio la moy
Masakunda sai ko ibe na la through the front door. Sai so dawla le alinga through the front door. Mari billahi wallahi. Mune kenya ko ga wallahi. Me ku kala nyilla on the 4th of this. Wala be jawala na menge create sunna.
Afaranju akabulora wuli alaji alaba takala Barrow sifa jola Africa fauro I'm telling you Bila wallahi mimme bulubalo me baralo imaje ka fa go Barrow ya bari dole afara ka okay nense ndax yow da nga bari dole ndax Gambian mo la jox dole bobu dinañ ko xam nañ dem rek ba ci kanam dinañ ko xam Yaya Jammeh muna kumale bi jaba bi fo Gambia kol Yaya Jammeh gule bi jaba bi fo Gambia kol alama alla duwali jabira alama aldingolu no alama aldingolu ye kale ko Barrow keta Gambia ko le jabi alama o kala ata la hiditi yala momi ya longo abuka nay kuma fa ataka kuma minfo ataka Barrow opposite lela algal la fa aldingolu bo o total buluje wo walde la problem on o total buluje so mina audio play la liye jang albe lamoyla Gambia alhamdulillah toñabe fintikan batabe kerin Gambia bake bar jumalle ba bata mol ko nyimbe koma milba ko nyimbe koma alfangol be lamoyla aliya long jumalle be nyin ko koma ngale ko mafia have overtaken Gambia mafia len na banko ilaftata ala bar Allah will rescue our country for us alsi lamoy nying audio la okay alsi lamoy nying audio la o mafia len na banko da tulo la problem na energy sector mafia leata Abubakar Jawara alangata ali lamoy
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Breaking news kotenke badolu breaking news kilimo la mo pour ka ko senedelem pour momo e breaking news lamoy ala part 1 yimo part 2 salon kuje ndollo ko dalale akoyta mal fana bari wasam Gambia ila news mbay abonla na fana momo sayela yaari di mure babala yo kuje itolbe kiskisi te kala ko tuuse pour que lo la kala bari ko anyum corruption ndere masoro Gambia kono anin corruption dum biyan ko akasaro siyata comme ni anin maso Gambia kono waso Gambia ala ya jube bari kibaro ya sokle braman ko yi to la ko akoy da sangala marno nyame ito ko tuuse ndala kala tuuse ndala be kala bison delete America banko kanja sangala marno kirum mbali sangala marno tur number 9 nden patam bason le from 1 to 8 and from tomat and momo se janja nasa ko ke break news ko kilo ni break hotel animal lamay ila likito la banda break bando kanal lamay ñimu pat pulati pour isalon bako nga tol sikindle science na befo ba do bi je jikta ilata e malla sa lalle mo abela tu okay folo mimu ko konti ba ti nan ngol fo bar muso bi jambira fala alila mo tolu la folo number 1 mimu tedde list fala sa kam tedde list the head Abubakar Jawara amuta killing lamin amaga quantity lamin mukasama rete lamin kasama ngale fa ay konasan bursubi 1.5 million darsi ay konasan bonsan atonile America jan $750,000 wuli keme wuli tallo dollar wala fa na America no wulita kala ko kisi because abe sabane jere jan kaydo babul okay wala ne tara kala ko nyinen ka ye ko so nyane fa nyim bonsa America banko kono wuli keme wuli tallo dollar alta Gambia man sanji sabosi wala nyin ko belik no America no nteno ntalo na ni Gambia police le mana asiade ne ayna yen SAS wala mo budi ni ana parameter mo budi ni mo kuriya ni nakare ni tapale ko le to ko le to taboni lo Americans wala nyin ko discover wala na ko ni federal police no de federal police e ba fana badia fo okay na fo ne ye bon sande me no be explain ya famle nkoy ko ay bon san demi siato ay dem bon san ma famina no explain ne wo sena set okay link would ay bon san wala to wuli keme wala wutalu dollar okay ate number 2 yela mel gasama amaka la mel quantity la mel gasama asala ko boy ni yoto nafta nyim pa tu yela la moy kelek okay wala number 2 number 3 Seku Drame ila moy bakin kam fo itamen kala moy Seku Drame hani yankon ni be la moy la na be ke nyuti la moy ne hakki ko ko Seku Drame number 3 number 4 Mohamed Jagana number 4 fifth luri nyaw musolam Kadijatu Tebe lamoy Kadijatu Tebe wala nani nyaw musolam nyulimu motimila ko Gambia gam petrol sim ika na isalso GM so nyulle bije ndokola nyimbe ndokola jere nyim gam petrol sim abe onda abe Abubakar Jawara asiaso do Jawara isu onda Abubakar Jawara so nyulle motimila ko ika isalso men ka bona Nigeria na tulo men ka bona Nigeria usanda abuka minfo iko tojante barla tandan kusala na yen kumo soso okay kamin bundi kamin fula ikada wasu Senegal anin Nigeria anin Senegal anin Guinea Bissau ngo ngani min kina yele ya kala mule ba kono wala kibaru ndala kibarinte kamin fuya ikafia barko le wulu kata wafi Guinea Bissau ani Senegal ika wafi wala yo min fuya ka wafi ni akasabi control to America dollar control dollar wuli mo dollar million mo ani si $28 million US dollars ndina akondo masolo mandika account fulin ko dambal sai yin ko alikta attentiventa alonta an fo police inspector je versus America ba kunna tola dia ko ya so except ni mol aris ni mol no be kenan muskili ye bel aris ke charge sai ko yin to ka jona soldat ke wala fo ko ya ke nduma koti ka sambane nduma pour mun kamala because of nin alonta abila politiko tiyala so politiko jara nyule pour gambia e kasara dingi mena mena ko aje ko nyin la min kasama imanti imayayo kada ko lasan link wood ni ba ni na spelling is LYNNWOOD dingi mena yalla min kasama bari ko talo bosu bubakar jawadu Sekou Dramé donc on pour 5 heures Mohamed Diarra Khadijatu Kebe ñu mo way jël sédé ko alanga banko bondi criminal bulu alanga banko bondi tapale molu bulu alanga banko bondi kurul bulu so ñu mon na birek ñu ci asamana kadella yeso ko so soje na minkina ayele yakara na kibaro bota gambere bari wol fana fo nda min lonje mawlonje sanga moro min lonje ti mawlonje bari talata lo abe ko lela ser do ko talata be mburaka bari mi sabe e ko yaro ni kasaro ni sunyaro min ka fatende sifa na maso gambia kon ale maso gambia taro ko ni mo history let usenda babaraka afole ko to nyante ibrahima ji sankare ibrahima soya sankare Allah keno fere Ibrahima Silla yiwo kumba ko fila bero Allah keno fere information ita maka information not inta tiyala mo itati ala baraka
wolo mun na investor solu minul ya lonko ka invest Gambia le Abubakar Jawara Abubakar Jawara mi ya lonko is a criminal, international criminal. Everybody knows it. Nobody will say allegedly. He's an international criminal. But very soon, that will be exposed to the world. Abalon nako alala mansabaya wale betula. Abubakar Jawara, he was involved in a lot of corruptions in Gambia. Akumasta ka police station olulo, people talk about it. But this is how cartels and international criminals operates. This is how they operate. So Bari, mimbi je wolom nyinti ko alinka naje ko nte badi ngolomo o nte be benefit kanne. What we need to see is we have to see Gambia. Nyantanga Gambia leche. This is a scam. Kuno nimi na Facebook o jube, I wrote something. Nko importation of gun, he was involved. Friend to drug cartels. Abubakar Jawara. Be today, akamuneke, aka the authorities le call a friend. Now authority all call a friend. He will spend on them. I publicity fananyini. Who will be doing that illegal advertisements for him? Wala atina some of the journalists are dying for Abubakar Jawara because ake feed with money la. Money laundry be Gambia le. Because bring Gam Petroleum la nyim problem of fintita. Abubakar Jawara e mimfo. Ko he paid the money cash, not by check, not through an account. Nyem Madam Kebe minto fota akai kodo physical cash ma di wolela. Why he didn't take the money to the bank and pay into the account of those that petroleum. Manati na mawoke. But he took it cash. Who knows whether those monies are not fake money. Fonga alone these black papers are too much in Gambia. Ngalon ko mercury mi along ye chemistry in school. You know what that is because now that a lab or alkajele, which is a very sensitive chemical. Abubakar Jawara is a criminal, international criminal. But Alabe fight like Gambia. Gambian people are suffering. Abubakar Jawara is earning millions of dollars. Gambian olu koto, Gambian olu be suffer. And I am ko dinkendolo mati. Ibe kodo tala, ibe adila molla, ibe jamahol sponsola, ibe fonkol kela, while they are doing something bad. While they are doing something bad. Nka Abubakar Jawara jele. With our prominent people, nka milu kolko, they are prominent. Ala Fonye, if you go to Colombia, when Pablo Escobar was there, Ala Fonye, which prominent guy, Alba Jela Fong aning Pablo Escobar Kenatal. They ran away from him. But time will tell. You know, Gambian people, we like Nganyo Kumandi, how you are fabricating, you are lying, you are that and that, without even itebuka obemim foka itema kisikisi you doesn't know. Ima long, ima kisikisi, ima jube. But it's a kumas ikamari level. You can do it. When you people are comfortable, there are 1,001 Gambians who are dying there. They don't even have food to put on the table. But Alman sympathy soto wolye. Alman balafa soto wolye. Or al anyantale. This is it. Either Alman balafa soto or almumo anyandringolete hasido. Coming barobe nyami. Because barola hasidia ametale. But ala juba minke alaji kontela. When internal tel baby je. Alko kodole balbul. But alman baro makoy. Baro was even a riffraff. Bring a buke hani dress kendo fansono. When alaji konte was doing for him. Aka dress. Aka good food there. But be aka keta president. Ako waya support. Kuriya kang. Niwa ma support. Aba make sure like wala business have to go down. All our business is going down. Ako pro all our business it are down. Baroka lole. Hanala meeting kenoldo. Kasi so konkong. Kaitandiko I'll make sure that ko ite marie fail. As if he is God. Ngo. Let's connect the dots here. Yaya Jammeh 2016, at this time, November, before election kick-off. Ya lota la kamanta campaign la. Akamanta campaign la. Ako he have already won the election. Because ate alon na minke. Ajututa Gambia nola akati tala fankata Gambia nkolu nyininka. Ya jamme kalole faka siso konkonko man deka bi man ma ko mom min diya tanya wala be kelaja ala mbe example kilin folo mole jang al nga hakilo to woto. This is in Ivory Coast. Briel Laurent Gbagbo coup d'etat. We all watch it in international medias. Many people were in support of that coup d'etat. But bring Gbagbo diamuta ko. The French are behind everything because there are certain corporations between Ivory Coast and France alafta min bondila because ama Ivory Coast nafa eka France le nafa. France has tried to infiltrate the Ivorian people against Gbagbo. Bari imalon dalila jumale famayatina iwulita ka Gbagbo kelendi. Itel malo, but France alonko ni Gbagbo nyinuli nyayelendi, we are finished. Imala fi nyayel. This the same fight France be wole kekan Senegal la say against Ousmane Sonko. They don't want somebody min nyayeleta min lave Ousmane Sonko ka fole amu opposition not ko ninte keta president ya nim France la cooperation dol bi mbe bondila because amantel nafa we are paying this to France. Ye Gbagbo ye nyuala. Ya Samba. Ya Sorom. Alassana Ouattara sita. Asinya. Alassana was a seasoned diplomat. Africa bele alike. But Asinya faniale beje. Ivory Coast nkoli ye don. Ye kol beke. Ya America Gbagbo ko. Alien Sorom faniale kang. Barimbe kele kan Ivory Coast le. Jajusi. Yalong, what I like you so much. You are so intelligent. And do you banko kan? Why do you want to respond to that kind of message? Niano iko UDP and NPP, they are even married. Let them say it. Alkane danku, please. You are giving them a boost. Malafingetela post nyinga delete. I don't want it. Ali Bula, let them say what they want to say, please. Kane jabi. Ita fango jube, ita fango be UDP do akaneko, they are even far. You don't even have to respond to that. Party mi alonko, they have no manifesto. They have no plan. They have no structure. Why should you even respond to that? Please, nye dani. At safer dia kana dial bulu. Alkanyi mosi falu jabi. I have seen their writings. Imagine nya kasila. Ntepe wole nyama. Forget about them. They are just here to distract. Because in a platform of bijere, bari buka wala moy. Because they cannot even hear any message. Ika lawyer double tomo jani UDP. So please, nye dani. Don't respond to them. I don't want to delete your comment. Malafka delete because you responded to them. Please. Thank you, Jajusi. I mantre haskang just nka foile drone. Don't respond to them. Inya kasile ida be bondi la quarter. Let them do what they want to do. Imagine I dalita minna imagine abina nendi role le kumaskan. Imagine he calling Dabo a dwarf. For Dabo la afanda. Ala la daro lo moti. Ala ye doda ijamfata, ay doda sutiat, ay doda ameseat, ay doda nunkuta. Bari koika ala la daro le hadany. Ni ano ya fukufanko tunku meolomu. Woman kente la problem. problem. Dabo is a father to other children, like you are a father to your you are a child to your father. If you respect your parent, you will respect another parent, despite hanasike politikoti. But because albe wole nyama, this is what you inherit, disrespect. You can continue doing it. Call him any name, as long as iman nendiroke nte block la nga foele. You can call him any name. Itete kuma fola dabo mamimo ya tulola sai. So, malo fere fama 2 meters tibang, wala 10 meters long. Afanambe hapola short lang atekela unknown number meters. Afanambe dan nadulal. Ala fa waratale fa bese adala fa kaja teleba ala ya da nyami ala ya da wala jaba dabo da nyami ada wala nyam. Sai ni dabo la suti ay ko ka provoke lebe ala iba fala ala le. Not us. This is the total immaturity of you people. So, Gambia, Abubakar Jawara ka God soto. Ka nyimbeki Gambian kolula. Na black sun, it is unaccounted. But for Abubakar Jawara leoke bang. No, na authority leoke. Geology bejele. But geology fanang, because of position, it hanyila kawo action civil. Because Abubakar Jawara is the guy giving money to Barrow. Yalong ni dual be jabi kan, ni Gambian koli yalo ila dual be jabi kan nyame. Albe Barrow tula jel. Fali amre ni exposo be ala be wanyar kan jani nyinula government be bolaje. Andung wallahi. Ñil be fam fala baroyele ibe ko bele kala albe kusi fa bele moyla, but they would not succeed. Wallahi tonya be damin tonya be talawol bagbo alota tonya le kan bari bi aferente Ivory Coast nkol ika bagbo kumbo ika kumbo because munati ne ka bagbo kumbo ya lon ko Alassana Ouattara yara ñinde mo sobeti mo kendende. Imaje biring ala tenyu banta anyanta tala. I mean ate min identify pour yate replace. For Alassana Ouattara le nyanta afla ko nyine nyanta kan de replace if there is truth and democracy. But atele mo identify ko wole nyanta ka de replace. Ala nata o Mario Minjio Doya. But let us connect the dots here. Ni atara ko tonya banko lo woti. Wo mim banta min nyanta Alassana Ouattara replace la. Biri wo banta dron Alassana Ouattara ko sai wo banta le oto ate fana mbita la ta molale. Oto ni tonya banko lo woti. Inyanta tala wo zoom lale ya samba post mortem la ya jube whether there is foul play in his death. Asikeno mafoko Alassana Ouattara la fade. Alsi jam fu ñew kuma la maw fode nko bara sikeno ko ala fa ko no there is a foul play because Alassana Ouattara want to go for that term. Alassana Ouattara ni atara ko among foul play kenyin dular mune atina ate fo ateni wo mofulo da mal capable ta wo banko ka minsi keno president ba banko mume obe Ivory Coast be warari nyame population more than maybe 10 or 5 million people. Let me check in Google la population be kala monete. Population of 26 million people, almost 27 million people, Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast la population is 27, almost 27 million people. So Alassane Ouattara, aning ate lafta mi ate succeed, wol fata, Alassane Ouattara ya feel ko say it is mandatory to him for him to extend imallo tonyakan. Wala ate nanka wala fu mole nko, nimbe baro kele la, alnga kele tonyakan, nimma kele tonyakan, abem fanal patandlale in the future. So alnga kele tonyakan, andum bel tonyala kosle kan, alnga baro kele tonyakan, baro mantra tonyakan. God alabe tonya fasalale mokana mo jabi mi ya lonko abe kuma fokan telema. Please let nobody respond. Ali bula ali tuje nye bellon ne jumal lo muit. I can be able to identify who they are here. Science nsela profile lon nole. I can know it just right now. But nselon na le muna mo si fal muiti. Okay. So, intete fanna time waste la dukare alngata. Telephone number bi jele ni lafta ko call ke let them call. A telephone ofele be wala call la mbata la de. Is afo bimbe tel bul barola karola barola ji defendal dukare alal fan nyak alal nyak ci kasi alal da bondi la ko. So mimbije image bi Ivory Coast ba problem o kono. Bari Alassane Ouattara soron ima soron to nyaka. Thank you, brother Jaju C. Ye Alassane Ouattara soron, ima soron dalila kan Ivory Coast hayne be bataring. Ila mol konko be fala. Ila musol ka finti la banko kan, ikata prosecution ke dulalto. Wala alfal me wulu dalilo kamade. But nyino mu ntelu na mansa kundalu, mfaonle ke bula. Ika tara kol ke ka molla minnin silolu manta. Mfaonle kake architect of that. When we gave Barrow chance here, mbe nyabal momo kumoba sondo mobala. Barrow got in one account $200 million. Just for 5 years. $200 million. Gambia loptano dolbije hani la rango e masoto. Gambia loptano lu beje hani la rango imasoto. If you want to have my number is there. If you call on the program, I will take your call. After the program, don't call me. If you call on the program, the telephone number is there. I will take your call. But please, after the program, Mr. Bachow, do not call me. You know my friend? But because I'm doing something, Nibe Denta Gambia Minna, you have the right to call. But after the program, don't call me, don't send me anything. Because after you call me, nimparete number from Mba block lade. Because this is my private number. Period. Until the telephone, I don't want to have contact with you. But if you want to call on my program, you can call. Or man get problem with it. And I will take that one. But immediately after talking to you, I'm going to block your number so that you don't reach me anymore. Nimbe program kela ninga number do keje koteke. If you want to call, you can call. And I will take that one. But after that, I don't want to have any link with you. Period. I have enough friends already. So, this is it. Alinga keloke tonyakan to liberate our country. To liberate our country. Alinkana fuko danko drong ninga nyimfo wole batinan la barobe tinyala albe nya ya jele His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe na lota dawoda aka lo toñale kan anda ka toñale sata aka lo toñale kan anda ka toñale sata anda ka nyimfo molele ko nkana tumirke alin kana tumiroke the cause that we are fighting na feel ko be sila kendole kan let's keep posing the button and fight for that truth nothing but the truth. Okay, so nimbota woto we are in the season of politics. The political season ole kono campaign ole be keren Gambia nsi dua campaign ole ke kaira kono ay bank kairo kono carte o fay kaira kono mbe min dua kan wala mga UDP mansakunda londi mi ya lonko they have their agendas yela 5-point agenda sol bondile ya wafu moluma amanke ko UDP mafu moy ko mbe smart garden o lolale e ko e garden fula fan soto kombole as an example hani bi moli e baro nyini ka o garden ol be kombo mun toleto ama itandino mola andate barole lota ko o garden ol bi jere already UDP got 5-point agendas amanke ko damalo mi la manifesto but manifesto kono they prioritize 5-point kaitandi molla ko this 5-point we want this to be our priority because they are imminent and important. These are issues minule alongo they need to be addressed. No, brother Jaju, see, I would not block them. I would not block them. I would not block them. They are like that. They are insulters. They are insulters. Ibe ole nyama. Ila president fonka nendirole ke kamin support. So this is how they are brought up. Mr. Boye ita mbari nere bari mbari nga sabari kare blog nta haji let la ko bon la noto bari mbari nga tuje. Let them so that nsi kumol foye they could have sense in their brain. Because because hadama de min sondo mo baba le sondo mo man kurang iman taratakan tarapila ibe kende arin kereng. How can you support Barrow under this condition in Gambia? Ya lon ila badi ngol lebe taraje minulbe ni kruyal ke kan Gambian kolla itelbe asoto kan Gambian kol ma soto e malla fi woy kuntu ha because mbari nabeje mbinki labeje mfandi nabeje nkoto mala beje nyindoro ibe nyina ibe banko la fe mon nakarle ba sunyale ba diletel e ba domola banko dingulu beje e nyaka lopitano jele e nyaka je per e sasa tolbe larin duma flokan anene manke ntella dindi ya wotumo dispensary siata ni major hospital performance ya wato dispensary so le siata but we have primary health care system. You go to school so manda wato 11 o'clock nkada ka keke ol di mo langami break time ale domoro wotumo crack with after manol nata every Friday panketo primary school to radio program ol bekera ni seta suo fanko ne buka nyani konton la fam because ikono fari ngol ka bonan karamo bar sa ni be bola karamudu foi ka takisilo kam fente fo kongo ngontel bitaka nyaatole. Thank you, Samsi Jayde. Only truth will set us free. So, alinye molu bular ye molu jube because ni tare la platform e la platform ka tara nendirol la e ka tara kangola la molkan e telephone ya lon ko ka send soto je so e ka send soto only UDP platform on leto ali bula ya jube nkane block tu kare. This is where e ka tonya mo e wallet. So nyino mu cold sa mbe nyim politique wato minto comme honorable Dabo ya fanyami. We are both one family. Politics should not make us to be enemies. We are not enemies. We are only opponents to each other. You don't have to ask me Ibn Abdul Hassan. I never know that ko Barrow is an enemy to yalo mbe language ole foka nyango ko we are not enemies, we are opponents. But say ite felendi immediately yo safe. So you need to tell us how Barrow, why you think Barrow is an enemy, or whether Barrow is an enemy. How is Barrow our enemy? Barrow cannot be our enemy. Barrow is not our enemy. The truth is that we want corruption free in Gambia. We don't want nepotism. We want our hospitals to be equipped. We don't want hospital authorities to be lying, protecting our politicians. We want constructive infrastructures in our country. We want to know our budget. We don't want a president who is having $150,000 per day just for food. We don't want a flamboyant president. We don't want a president who want to hire an aeroplane for $29 million and say that what is $29 million when superpower countries are not even doing that. So our argument is a valid argument. Go and say, what have Dabo done for us when he was in the office? Go and ask Barrow min lota airport oto ako Dabo ko mbe tentula mbe jaila of what you have done. Go and ask Barrow about that. Please. Please. Go and ask Barrow about that. For itulo maomoy. Itulo maomoy. Lumina Barobe kora koska Dabo ni Ahmad Sane airport. For itulo maomoy. For ite ma kalamutako. Dabo le wulita tata. Kay Gambia ni Commonwealth tai koteke. When Gambia nol kabo Gambia. Ikata England. Ika join no British Army even without iman kaito solo. Andu niyo kere ka citizenship le solo. Foi ma wolom biri ya jame o kuntu nitem. Imalon ko Dabo le o connection o. Imalon ko many embassies be in the world. We are not paying rent to those embassies because Dabo beg for them. Kaitan because our country is crumbling. We don't have money. Ima wolom. Ima lonko, Dabo, Leatina, the project Minul Baby Basse, Ima lonko, Dabo did it. Ima lonko, the donor conference minketa, 1.7 billion, Mia lonko, Alani mo hadumerongo yem fondi kodo nyimbela, Ima lonko, Dabo leo facility, Ima wolong, Nal mampare tonya fola alka, nyimisil me kende to mimbete kuntotende, Abdul, iko mu misil molet. But you don't want to speak the truth because he call mole kong. Well, it is up to you. Kulli nafsin zai katil maut. Lulna be sotola. Ibe sin kumbal sitila nyobalale. Ye fananjindi la dinko kono. Ni wolung fanyale be tankendla. Ni tonyale be tankendla. Abe koiletel. Molse mune safeno. Madwe yede saya. Because abente fa kuntole. Askiano nga pare ngana telefono fardron. Alia moy konfata. Alama jamfala barate baila. So I will say the truth. No matter what. Andumbe otonya ale fokan bari alon tonya ka dimine because I'll tell mu because tonya fo balol mu bualet ni bua sisinda ka dimine. So ninga tonya fa kal balo janile. Because ali alon ko Barrow is corrupt. $35 million mi ya di mo leja. Barrow ye okodo akoye oleta ye o pleno lua. Jumale okodo dial biya man na wek la contractual chika adi wol because they want something. So ye kodo diala as an inducement. Para alkalte ol befola. So this is it. So I beg for you, if you do not want to see the truth, it is up to you. I cannot operate your head and put it there. It is about the heart. So I am sorry. I will not waste my time on you. The campaign has kicked off. Alnga diamu molie. Nkana fasi. Yalo nga fale ko. Nte. My ethnicity. Yentel jahase ba kelede. Baro yen kumandile State House. Akon na fuloli ko. Mandin koli yen sindi sa laftan jamfala laftali yen fasa. Aliya mwele biri tata pa modu bojan. This is not my word. Mil tata je baroya. Wale tata pa modu bojan. Iko ita ke nola. Iko because itel ni mandin kol leve siri. Ni surwa leve siri. Ni manja kol leve siri. Ni jola leve siri. Baroye min fo itelie. In closed door. Ita ke nola. Itel tata pa modu ya foje. I think everybody could remember that vividly. Kodi. Yalon tema ofu. You have your sense. You can think about who is better. If Jammeh kill your parents, you will not even ask such questions. If Jammeh kill your parents, you will not even ask such question. But because Alman feeling sort, Alman balafa soto, Alia Miracle, whatever Jammeh have done is correct. Jammeh is even better than Barrow because Barrow le lota. Jammeh nenema law. Ako Barrow bete atale. Barrow nyineke. Barrow le lota. Baro atele lota ako Jammeh man betea Jammeh musungolete Jammeh nana flote barate baro atele asingo wuli kata fo Jammeh la bunkon ka Jammeh ke mo kendoti je so ite nyantalo na la Jammeh ni baro Jammeh le fisia bata barote so yenna question ya understand yes Jammeh le fisia bata barote Jumala bita ibulisa visit la. Foika ibulisa la kende yafu. Ni ala fango soki. Jammeh fisi ara baroti. So yela o jabile. Good. So alnga diamu molie. Nyin hasidi ya sifa mimbe nyinul bala. Nyinebe siari moja mabala Gambia. Because dobe je bi abe diamu ka lawyer dabo la court amam fenne fan lo lawyer dabo la court dolbe je imam fenne fan lo Usain dabo la court nothing absolutely imalong bari politiko mu toñalete barole lota ko ni be politiko la ise kuma fonole bar ni tata office oto butuo atute telebul so wolom nyinti ko politiko isi kumo fono jele mi manke toñati bar ni because already ni be office oto jumala bine kamala je because already baroko policeol mortality paral mortality army mortality economic mortality so aka wole use wala yatina ko nsal fake ngana nga fal ni atara ko ite Abdul your father is a farmer amam fertilizer soto baro lota ko farmer soleko alla fertilizer de molle ya sunya itata wa fu Senegal nge lonne ay mune kela afaema na yema ba fala le baro ye ngamra biringa samba nga ko do detail e ko kara campaign ayema mana memuta mana man police authorized and science na bodafon ako ngafon na senior officer solel sai mana ma fo la senior officer solel yo fertilizer sungol yemuta afaima wala na Abubakar Jawara thank God abi diamulal de because Musa Drame ayalo naka jumal l'école pour ñinul Canadian alo naka minul call pour ñinul Canadian albe kumal moy la Gambia jandini election nte malo fo baro fa bina contest la fa ba algata ngoy na dual le jabi kan alhamdulillah mbe sa fa alhamdulillah na dual le jabi kan you say my brother Abdul, I love people who are intelligent. I have said this and said this and said this. You go to my headline The telephone number is there. You will see it. I'm not here to read telephone number for anybody. How can you open a book without knowing the title of the book? And you want to read that book. First, you have to know what is his program, what is his agenda, what is he coming to discuss before you just jump up and then join the program. Yalon kanyine falter MPP nkola alkatu chaurine kala keba fa obijami alkaka woke. You are our brothers. Manke enemy. We are brothers. Na political discourse wolle fatata. Bari mal blame because kumudun kutolo malta almalon ko agenda le kumayata politiko kono alma soto. Policy le kumayata politiko kono alma soto. Structure le kumayata politiko kono alma soto. So you people, you need to come to UDP's platforms to learn. Maybe Allah sita al sondo mo falling to see the truth. Kila alayhi salam birabe Islamo kelela was very few people. Milia fasa. Islamo tano molle siat. Barbi we are counting on billion of people minka Islamo wasi. Because tonya le beje bari Islamo keleta tonya ya kele wala kon. So UDP lota tonya le kan be keleta tonya le kan and what tonya will reveal everything. Alal badingol fasaje Abubakar Jawara wol ibe kuryala nal pareta alkal kata jamon le lo mole ngasara hulol nin toñani sobe yale long anin dino bar niaje bi mo jama be bulo tilin kan alla ngasara hulol lo minna sara hule dindol be tiñaro ke kan al modol koy be fasala sara hulol be kende yari nyamin sara hulol lafta dino la nyamin. Bar fodum alkal feka koto dino le kefam pour ay service bar ala yalo ne ala ya mobuka ay service keno it have to go with your intention. So Abubakar Jawara ala fa sabula al baro fa sabula imanke mo kendeti ibe Gambia torakan naltel be na la molu bebe Gambia naltel be alright ring alla mole fengo besot ala lonko mo jamal lebe on the street masoto. So ndelbe kele kan generally purun nal be so that we can have primary health care, we can have conducive area, we can have education, we can see our everything, our market. Bi Gambia, ni tata Gambia. Ni etejebe subo sanka mol kalo ke jube. Ni ejebe ibe nyo sanka mol kalo ke jube. Ni ajete la panyo be faring dol sa foko maybe adamata de maybe mol le fanali asambala. Bar mol nyasi boyfi. Ni aje dunda supermarket okono Gambia ye nyun trailer la ibitala. Iteka ke fonkoleti. Mol ke jube le ko simple basic necessities become a problem. This is what I'll tell fal tonya alla faka Gambia je tenten. No, I know ko man kala intention ti. Ba halo nduata alele. Nko nali ya feel ko baro mo kendolde. Oto baro jiko alama bondila aldingol bara altel la karola. Ay kana kasamba modol kande bara alfangol la karo altel. Alla karol alama yo kaltel ngana jube. You will complain. So coming na party leader kunu abe farafenyele alhamdulillah nsi duwe bake ila tamo nying anim political party ol mil bebe tamo la fo mobesi futa ibotana ndaming ye futa je kaira kono tamo nye ke kairo kono ala sembe so manta bembala ala sen tanka setano la ni masibe kosi ke fewo fenti ala sembe tanka ni telu be ala sitonya fasa barobe mo filindo minna nsi dua fo ala sa dundi mo be sondo moto ye baro je yaje ko mo filindi lalo mo ala ma baro malula baro e gambianolu malundi baro ka siso konkon gambianole faka fu gambian kole ko mbe foire andilale ngata because he belong to Fuarea al ngata yalon Fuaro ye fanje fenkono ni meke ko ake fartindile al ngata Alaji Konte ay baro clot la na la muso baro ya lon baro la muso ya lon ngala muso la video jele ako mala tena badin dole benda ka fo Gambia ntello mu badinti ntello mu wo muso min ka Gambian kolbe hadan fatu babaro badinde buka jam fatela ko to bake because palaso yake ma barandi nyami atela baro wol tambida kemal because mbeng hala na talol jejan nga jel how he was suffering nga mo fangol lonne ya longo alhamdulillah ate fat babaro akatanu weyale ka domorol keje domor kendo soto jasi jisu mami tubo bari amanke ko alale kawoke wana ko mbuka jamfa auto bage because alale ka mo moso ha asete so bi ntengane ya ite kante so bar ni fartita kan askeno aya tebulu ay na dinte fana na ya jube ntebe kelete mun mo si fati so ni follow ta fuare yala ala nate bondi wo kono ay fendila ite nyanda kala ala tentulade wo fengo ka nyanda silala baki yani ala nyasila mba sambanyola bar ntele nyinke milie kuke teye ite ya lonne kunu bar bi to koy kalo koy be wolle destroy la andu wolle kuke teye kunu wo ala inetela dual jabi against wol wo men jakal lalde Alaji Konte isi munya. Truth will set you free. Truth will set you free. Truth will set you free, inshallah. You are a good man. Momo nyaeje akamunefo. Nyine makoi. ndingol bayol leti nyine kan ndingol makoy nyine kela karamungo jo nyine ke balundi alata kola kabiri dena ni ma bembulu pirika keke ole min because fentembulu atele akwa be dunne la ko bela atele kela ko be fo bi fo wol bitakan karamu fo dole alqurano karaya bam we alqurano biring alif ay fenfen karanje the alphabet of Arabic ay fenfen karanje from suratul Bakara to Nas ay fenfen karanje wallahi ala kontela siya bejele ala ta kola dindimu be funto kono ala alfa fata ala konte malon amalo si jumalon amala be dina jumaleto ay nyillahi do di wala karafa alfa la kay tandala ko ala la demaroto asula fewo be kala fewo fendentele be wo kala anda manke ka o ke mo kiline amanke ka ke mo fulale bi wolle be kumbo kan weda Alaji Konte is doing for those people farman tracking because dalilo min ka atina kage abuka money doubling ke abuka money laundry ke abuka mo nakara kala decent business leke akala taxol jo iko yala account le mute ya freeze because symbole be telburu adama le ko because alafta Alaji Konte ya fasa no ma fasa o ka UDP min fasa kala na fulo dundije aba make sure we foire ya and wo Alaji Konte adama wole adama aka parendino aka fintino molka ni molka diam aka baykendol dunga ala aka kodo diala aka jibokon aka dañino dial ako bi aka wole kele pour weji alama adama dajiko altel miliko adama mo kendol alama dajiko al dingol dajiko bolala alfaon la karola yo kala nga jube albalo na alamu tonya mansalete we will see mbe adama ya jamelebi deka bi man mako mom wo deka be fenerin ayna deka mu fade ale he's a refugee satellite funo mimba buluno aka molla internet communication will be shut down Gambia mol ni la family buka diamuno ako min diata be wala kala Gambia encore bi wo ya America hello network bi bawde hello satellite funo teje sign aka min shut down aka diamul ni wama min kawandi fente kawandla wotumon ka satellite funol dial nabita kanila boya muta silo ka jimoto kon ay du nyamo kon akakata jina bayo laita ebu satellite funo ka tarabula ka kolki bi wa satellite funo tabul anywhere hanabe pleno kon asi satellite funo use ay kolki bi aka min shut down no aka foko fotubawol yamira ite letamu Gambiat ake nonsense aka rubbish foye ake neng faka bula internet ol fan la kadwo mold bara ke shut down mo bukela mol fan call no ay amuta jang ay even nka baluo min fan kinna mole he was controlling Western Union min diate ka wo rate le di mol aka ateka percentage sort of from that rate because codifalinal will be for jam ikateka codifalinal ramase ikela foreign currency busila ya jamme will be kijan b sembe jumale babulu b ni wama adama kawan aka lo iko ka file ko ya bari dole ye the same thing la ya jamme fo dolu wulita bi minul ka fo adama ko lafitetel wala ko pour ya ke kinti pour president do kana soto Gambia ko tek ale nafiki ajele well ñinom kumoti laftan na le min kacha drom bi mina danna jang ngata borora na jata kende afanan kumayata nsakata fanan ka wolke we make exercises nkarna boring dingolke kela press up dingolke ite minno yoke da because na health conditions say molka domorol balwol mil fangol domo imam betea they are not good imam betea alinga kata bake we take care of ourselves for now. Gambia la problem is very, very stressful. So if you have nothing to do for your health, abe affect lale. Alinga kata fanan, we do something at our leisure time. Ngara borolal mpareta jansa ente bita pako bembala jaman jamfa. Sumi ala we care, there is a mean to dress and go. So mbe mo be tentula mbal jaila, hence nobody calls. Butung defana mina darna jam because mo killing fanan katara diamula drone yama easy. Kola yata bakel. Bar mbal tentula mbal jaila, mol mil fanalu ya lonko inata because itella manifesto muka Usain Dabole jala ikai muneke Gambia because imam pare ya lonna I mean ke Gambia katu amanke ko Usain follow ta political Usain man follow political Usain la service for Gambia ukumasta 40 years ago itel mil be diamola bi adama pareta institutional mil tinyala Usainu ateleketa wala legal advisor to put those institutions in place. Adama ka interfere na justice system o min kon. Usainu maji. Somebody call but the phone na sister letiba I don't know ben call ka messenger la Irin Rohi. Aben call kan telefono min do be diamo la wala do. Mimben call kan, I don't know, I saw the name, but I think you can call me on the other number, not what urban call, I don't know. Is it you? What urban call kan mamalo. I think I saw Rohi. Well, she doesn't take. I don't know. Somebody was trying to call me on Messenger on the same phone that I'm using, but I tried to return the call, but if I tell them back call that after in Paritaja. So let's take care of Mfaunla health. Okay. Hello? Huh? Hey, Mfelandio, Mfamodoma. Mbeja, ita rabe call kanu messenger. I attend, okay. Angamirang. Okay. Oto mbatu mbe program le kono, sam mbe pare nimparang call yam. Okay. Okay. Maybe abulora ala telefono mano akalamuta. Okay. So, brother Jajusi, odem si bojam bari no mitere bojam kundan ko mo bari no mal telte Fatima Sedi kan alnga exercise sol fanal akanna stress all talala because barola modus operandi minti he want to depress Gambians, but instead he is the one depressed because ani adia munyalje yala kolje ema Ahmed Baje saying Ahmed Ba nseleta te kibaro koy Ahmed Ba ko ko ni bota jebe soronna ibe fole la fewol belal e wo mari ka ko je ngamire tallo ko tallo mu bari o ka ko sai tallo be soronna jadile amang kuma seno fo wede Ahmed Ba ya lonne ko suñaro e be walla bari ntenga Usain Dabo Millong, he would not do any witch hunt. He would not witch hunt anybody. Abe tonyale sabatindla, banko la fengo minti banko ya soto. Mote banko nakar, abari momo tamu fengo minti ya soto legally, ngalonko itale be kelade. Usain Dabo nenete tara government kono ye advantage jai moka. Bari biwa minyanda tala silola. Abe osambala silola de. So ni min ya wolong oto alnga tonya fasa wala mu tonyati. So mbe tenturo kela mbe jairo kela alnga sondo mol landi nyim voters card kuola. IEC, I believe they will work on it because adiamo Seattle the best thing Master Jata this I voters card will is in the IEC kola if only a mol commandije yana ya dila. Ya announce radio to ko minul la voters card man parenu la rikundala nying registration center kari mo nangam lom na diata fa ye tol fa announce je radio to inyante tol fo la ya fo kari isine la voters card to kama kari isine la voters card to kam ha barkadi alkalo la alkalo bita kordal kuno kaya alma isan sondi alkal almantra jokan almantra la payroll munatna alkalo bokal. And secondly, people's detail wal manyana expose la to the alkalo wonyanta dan altelle bulu because altel authority the IEC adi altelle la altel manyana odila to a secondary person la ale wrong move like auto is not correct. Aliwo voters card retrieve from those alkalo alia samba alia landala officer ni maril sula tala yena kamaje janni electiono wala le announcement ke radio to alia itandiko nyimo karde alla voters card paretalenu because masingo problem alia explain alia itandiko yene la voters card kamal bulu very simple. So muntala kumoti Master Jaju badingul se Master Jaju kumandi ya fu Master Jaju ay nyim voters card sendi alfalo mati banko dingul ya respect le akana toku ya baroye. aya baraka immigration fana ngalon ko be operational nga kumalle moyje bara man ko en folo nte je diamula man ko en folo ala baraka thank you